Hey, my friends, these companies want to put cash bonuses in your account, but they require steps. It's really amazing that these companies are spending millions of dollars to get you as a new customer. And they have some great cash bonuses laid out for you. Let me tell you about it. So, the first one, a checking account. When you create a checking account, one, you have to be a new customer. Okay? That's what the companies require. Then you have to add $50 with your debit card. So you're literally taking $50 out of your checking account that you have, and you're going to put $50 in this new checking account. You haven't lost any money. Okay? It's the same money. You're just putting it in a new pot so that you can get this cash bonus. And I need to post some more videos because the app has so many great financial services that can really help you and your family. Okay. But you're a new customer, you add $50, it has to be $50. And what the company will do is add $25 cash bonus to your account. And the person who shared it with you, they're going to add $75 to their account. All right. So that's $100 that this bank is going to provide. Here's another thing. Once you have your app, your account, when you share and that person that you share it with or the people that you share it with at $50 with their debit card, they're going to get 25 and the bank's going to give you a $75 cash bonus. Now, this particular bank is SoFi and they do have a $10,000 bonus cap. So once you hit $10,000, no more bonuses. Okay? But to get those bonuses, it requires steps. And I just covered those. Here's another one. Netspend. Netspend is a financial services company. A lot of corporations use Netspend. A lot of payroll cards, the debit cards that are loaded direct deposit, a lot of those cards are powered by Netspend. So Netspend says, request a debit card, a prepaid debit card. When you get it, add $40. You got to add $40. And to get these bonuses, you've got to be a new customer. So you add the $40. Netspend's going to add $20 to your account, a cash bonus. And the person who referred you, they're going to add $20 to their account. Once you get that up and running, which simply log into the app, just like you would with SoFi, and get your referral link. And every person that you share this with, they add 40, they're going to get 20, you're going to get 20. But you have to be a new customer. Okay? You have to be a new customer. Now, what happens if you're not a new customer? That's fine. Just log into your app, start sharing. You'd be surprised how many people do not know about this. Okay? What is in it for me? Absolutely. Great question. When you use my link that's in the video description or that's on my bio, when you add 50 to SoFi and everything works out, you'll get 25, I'll get 75. When you add $40 to Netspend, you're going to get 20, I'm going to get 20. You see? That's what's in it for me. What else is in it for me? Something that's really I want to say it's more important than just me earning money. There are so many ways for you to generate income. And a lot of people think you got to have garage sales. There's nothing wrong with that. You got to sell things out of your house. There's nothing wrong with that. You got to start a business. There's nothing wrong with that. You got to start a side hustle. There's nothing wrong with that. You got to get a part-time job. There's nothing wrong with that. What I'm saying is there are so many ways for you to generate income. This one, my friend, I have found to be one of the ones that are at the top of the list of being super simple because you can share this with family, friends, colleagues, and your social media following, your social media audience, and even if you want to go another step, You strike up a conversation with someone in the grocery store or while you're out shopping, and you could have the potential to share this with them. But it's really simple, and I'll end with this. Because people are already accustomed to prepaid debit cards and checking accounts, there's no learning curve for this. They just know how to do it. So the only thing they're left with is, do they want $25, $75, $20? And I haven't even told you about the $50 one. Okay? So without further ado, these bonuses require steps, and I've told you what they are. You have to be a new customer, and you have to load the amount of money that they say for you to load. These are not my rules, it's the company's rules. But I think it's pretty cool that these companies are paying millions of dollars to get new customers. Okay? So click the link in the video description, have at it, come back through in the comments and let me know how it's going. All right? Many blessings.